so frustrated. Hello, 1, 2, 3 용기가 생겼지 이미 아는 이
Here, yes. Look at this. Oh my god. So cute. Yes.
Welcome to our cafe. What will you like to order?
What the bestseller here?
The best seller here is strawberry milk.
Alright, that's all we ordered too. Thank you.
Okay, what?
Good morning, everyone. We are from 9F. I'm Mutiara Sri Harizka. I'm Dhela Chantika.
And I'm Reyhan Oktaviano.
At this time, our group will make an English assignment. It is about a procedure text. The procedure text that we will make is about how to make strawberry milk. So keep on watching.
Ingredient to make strawberry milk. We need strawberry jam,
Full cream milk, ice cubes, ice cream, and yuppie.
pan, glass, and straw.
First, put the strawberry jam into the glass. After that, add ice cubes. Pour full cream milk. Then add the ice cream.
The last step, we decorate with yuppie and strawberry jam on top.
Cheese.
This is the order. Enjoy.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yummy. Yummy. Well, everybody, that's all. Please try it. Thank you for your attention. Bye.